Hi and welcome, my name is Aryan and this is the guide on how to benefit from my channel. If you're here to learn SolidWorks and if you're serious about it, I want to show you what you can find on my channel and also on my course. So stay tuned. Let's just go to the course. Let's go to the channel first. So when you come to my channel, ignore this video. This is the old video. You're not going to be seeing this anymore. And the banner, I might change it later. Still is there. Okay, so if you rate yourself in SolidWorks anywhere on the scale of 0 to 10, 10 being the highest, being an expert, from 0 to 4, you go here and you start watching my mini series. There are 5 videos. You have to watch them in the right sequence. That's that, no argument. Just go do it. 1 through 5, it will help you enormously. Now, I have done the similar thing for assembly. It means if you are anywhere between 3 to 5, you could also watch the assembly. Now, if you are anywhere above 5 and you know the way around in SolidWorks and you're just here for tips and tricks, you could go to SolidWorks Tutorials with Ryan and just watch the tips that you want to learn. Okay, just jump to the topic that you came here to learn. I have a couple of exercises that you could do. They all come with downloadable drawing sheets. If you want to open the drawing sheet on the side and practice and use these videos as guidance, you can. You go to the video, open it, and there is a download link below each video in the description. Go there, sign up for free, and then download your drawing sheet, okay? These are my old series. If the new series are not, I don't know, working for you, which I doubt, you could go and check my older series. Okay, so that's for learning SolidWorks off my YouTube channel alone. Okay, I also happen to have a course called SolidWorks Course Pro, which you see in the banner. On the top right corner on the banner, you see website, click on there, and then you go to my web page, whatever, allow cookies or whatever. And then this is the web page and for the course. Just go through it. You will find anything you need to know about the course. And if you're an absolute beginner, this is a must-go place, guys. I'm not just telling you to do this. If you're not satisfied with this course, email me. I will refund you in full. No questions asked. I don't want your money if you don't want this course. Only serious learners are welcome. And you can find anything you want to know about this course on this page. There are 5 sections: beginner, intermediate, CSWA, professional, and CSWP. Each section has a curriculum. You see what topics are covered in that. And then the bonuses that come with it, which is a forum, for example, which you get free access to. You can buy a SolidWorks license for 1 year for $99 when you enroll in my course. You get 120 or above 100 step-by-step SolidWorks tutorials. You get a PDF with 2,400 pages or 100 pages of step-by-step guidance, which took me 1 year to build. Another PDF with 600 pages. Another PDF for surface modeling if you want, but that one is not included. These are the reviews here. What I just told you can be summed in one picture here. All the course, all the bonuses, and the other things. And that's that. Okay, one last point to wrap this video up. So far, from 2011 through 2022, I have been teaching SolidWorks, and I feel I have done my part. I have taught anything I had to teach. And if there is anything more I want to add, I will add it to my course. So go there. From now on my YouTube channel, based on a poll that I asked people, you can see it here on the community, 90-something% of people, oh, you don't see the results because I'm not logged in. 95% of the people said they prefer the second option. Yes, I want to know how to put my SolidWorks know-how into practice. So this is what's going to happen on this channel from now on. And anything else about SolidWorks, you can ask me. No worries, I will tell you. But the contents purely about teaching SolidWorks is going to be reduced. Don't tell me I didn't tell you, okay? Welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to do it. You're going to love my content, man.